Turning waste into animal feed using black soldier fly (BSF) larva is an innovative and sustainable process. Here's a step-by-step description of how it works. 1. Waste collection and preparation. Collect organic waste such as food scraps, agricultural residues, or manure. Avoid toxic materials like plastics or chemicals. Pre-treat the waste if necessary, by shredding or mixing to ensure consistency for larval feeding. 2. BSF egg incubation. Obtain BSF eggs from a controlled breeding environment or purchase from a supplier. Incubate the eggs in a warm and humid environment 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 60–70% humidity until they hatch into larvae, usually within 3 to 4 days. 3. Larva feeding process. Transfer the hatched larva to the prepared organic waste. Ensure optimal conditions. Temperature 27 to 35 degrees Celsius. Moisture slightly damp but not waterlogged. pH neutral 6 to 7. The larvae consume the waste, breaking it down into biomass over 10 to 14 days. 4. Harvesting the larvae. Once the larvae are fully grown, separate them from the remaining waste. This can be done using sieves or self-harvesting setups where mature larvae naturally migrate to a collection area. Larvae can be used as high-protein animal feed, e.g., for poultry, fish, or pigs. Processed into products like dried meal or oil. 5. Waste byproduct utilization. The leftover material, known as frass larva excrement, is a rich organic fertilizer that can be used in agriculture. 6. Breeding and reuse. To sustain the cycle, keep some mature larvae to pupate and turn into adult flies. Adults mate and lay eggs, continuing the BSF life cycle. Benefits of using BSF for waste management. Waste reduction. Converts waste into valuable resources. Nutritional value. Larvae are rich in protein 40–50% and fat 30–35%. Eco-friendly. Reduces reliance on traditional feed sources like fish meal. Cost-effective. Low maintenance costs and scalable setup. This method is widely adopted in sustainable farming and waste management practices due to its environmental and economic advantages. Black soldier fly (BSF) larvae are highly nutritious and widely used as a sustainable feed source for animals. Their composition can vary depending on their diet and environmental conditions, but here is an approximate breakdown of their main components. 1. Protein content 35–60% dry weight basis. Details. BSF larvae are an excellent source of high-quality protein, comparable to fish meal. The protein is rich in essential amino acids such as lysine and methionine, which are crucial for animal growth. 2. Fat content 15–49% dry weight basis. Details. Larvae have a high fat content, primarily composed of lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid that has antimicrobial properties beneficial for animal health. 3. Fiber content 5–8% dry weight basis. Details. Chitin, a fibrous component of the larva's exoskeleton, provides structural support and may have prebiotic effects in animals. 4. Ash minerals content 10–15% dry weight basis. Details. BSF larvae are rich in minerals such as calcium, beneficial for bone health in animals. Phosphorus, essential for energy metabolism. 5. Moisture content 60–70% fresh larvae. Details. Fresh larvae contain a high level of water, which is reduced significantly during drying or processing. 6. Carbohydrates content 5–10% dry weight basis. Details. Present in the form of chitin and other minor components, carbohydrates contribute to energy supply. Other components. Vitamins. Rich in B vitamins, including B12, as well as some fat-soluble vitamins like A and E. Bioactive compounds. Include antimicrobial peptides and lauric acid, contributing to animal health and disease resistance. This balanced composition makes BSF larvae a versatile and sustainable feed option for aquaculture, poultry, and livestock, replacing or supplementing traditional protein sources like fish meal and soybean meal.